Hi guys, welcome to Small Kitchen Tales. Today we'll be making white sauce pasta. For that, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add in chopped onions, some capsicum. I've added yellow and red here, you can also use green. Just fry it till you get that nice aroma. I'm adding half a cup of spring onions. This is optional. You can also add some olives if you have, and half a cup of corn. Mix it till all the vegetables are covered with butter and transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Now take the same pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour in batches. I've added 1 tablespoon here and mix it well till it becomes a little brown. To avoid lumps, keep mixing. Now you can see it's turning brown almost. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of corn flour here. If you don't have corn flour, you can also add Maida. And some chopped garlic. Fry the garlic until you get a nice aroma. Now I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Once you add milk, keep mixing, otherwise it'll start forming lumps. Do it on a medium flame. So once you start mixing, it becomes thick like this. Now I'm adding all the seasonings. Some peppercorns, some salt, oregano, so once you keep adding your seasonings, just keep mixing to avoid lumps. I'm adding some basil leaves here and mixing it again. Some red chili flakes. Keep mixing once you add the seasoning. And half a cup of water. Mix well, and if you feel the consistency is still thick, add some more water. I'm adding Amul cheese here to give it a cheesy texture. This can be skipped and it's optional. Mix it till the cheese melts. Once the cheese melts, add in our fried veggies and combine well. Add in the boiled pasta. Give it a good mix, combine well. And now our white sauce pasta is ready to be served. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for new recipes like this. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.